did yesterday while you were gone. So we were working on this review about the forces that we use. A force is when you push or you pull something, and a force happens when two objects interact. For example, my hand is one object, my bottle is another object. So I can push my bottle or I can pull my bottle using my hands and applying a force. This one is a review of forces. These ones are the forces that we are working in the classroom right now. Twist is when you use your hands to twist something to open that or to close it. Squash is when you took a material and you squash it to make it flatter. Stretching, when you apply a force by pulling, like for example, I can stretch the thingy on my face mask. And break is when you totally break something, when you split it on two parts by applying a force. And smash is similar to squash but with a violent force. Also, you have these on your notebook, and these ones are other forces. You work this activity with Mrs. Bautista the day I wasn't in the school. You have this activity in your notebook, and these ones are other forces. What we did here, we cut these papers and you paste it on your notebook by matching the picture with the correct force. For example, this man is bending this pipe. So you cut this one and you paste it in front of this one. What is the activity? The activity is you are going to open, I'm going to send this video with this link. This is the folder that we are using. You already know how we use these folders. It's in OneDrive. It's important that you are logged on your the account. So you click here and you have to find the one with your name. Martina is here and Samuel Pizarro is here. I'm going to use mine as an example. What I need that you do is that you fill these empty spaces here. How are you going to fill them? Well, read the instructions. Hello, my name is, in my case, is Lorena from 2nd C, and I am going to talk about forces. The forces that I know are break, bend, squash. Another one will be twist, or the fold. And where can you find this information, these forces? Either here or in this vocabulary that is in your notebook. So I need that you continue filling these spaces. You can choose one of the objects you have in your notebook from the experiment we did the other day. The rubber band, the Play-Doh, plastilina, the popsicle stick, the plastic bag, or you can choose another material. In this case, I'm going to fill these spaces with the information of a rubber band, my rubber band. The object that I choose is a rubber band. Remember, if you want to write on these spaces, you have to click on the bar until you can see these circles. The object that I choose to apply this force is a rubber band. I choose this object because on this line you have to write the characteristics of the material. Características del material. Remember that on your notebook you also have some vocabulary related with this. So for example, a characteristics of a rubber band is the rubber band is hard, dura, or flexible. This one is flexible. So I'm going to write flexible. This rubber band is soft. It is rough. So I think this one is soft. So I'm going to write soft. and elastic. That's why you can stretch it, because it's elastic. Some materials are hard and you can't stretch them, but this one, because it's elastic, you can stretch. So here, and elastic. My favorite force is, in this case, I want to choose stretching, because I'm talking about the rubber band. So here I am going to write my favorite force is stretch. And I'm going to make a demo for you. Look, I choose this force because whatever you want to write there, your opinion, why that force is good for you. I like to see how the rubber band changes the shape. Oops, I missed one letter in here. I'm gonna change it here. When you finish this, I am going to check this, because we are going to use this as a script on Monday to to record a video on Flipgrid. You don't have to do the video yet. What I need that you do, that you work at home this weekend, is on this activity, on this writing activity, filling the empty spaces, because we need this for Monday to work on the Flipgrid video. But don't worry, the Flipgrid video is going to be made during the Monday class with me, with my help. During this weekend, what I need that you do is that you review this information and that you fill these spaces with the material that you choose and with the forces that we are working. Any questions? Write me an email, and or we can talk on Monday. I hope that you have a nice weekend and that you can work out on this during the weekend. Bye bye.